Welcome back, YouTube fans. Thank you for joining me for my second episode. Today we're going to do something kind of simple, but really fun. We're going to make a pineapple twist, and we'll turn that into a bottle opener. It's a sweet project, doesn't require a lot of materials. Piece of 1/2-inch bar, really basic. A twist is kind of like, yeah, you can just twist it and there it is. That's kind of cool. But we're gonna do a twist on a twist, and it's still an easy project, but it'll have really cool results. What we're gonna do is we're gonna lay out this bar. You know, because we're going to chisel a groove into this. So let's say we're going to twist it and do that much. Kind of lay it out. Close enough. Alright. There's some of the other tools we're going to need. My big old chisel. Really like that chisel. And then a couple of crescent wrenches. That'll actually help you do the twisting. You can make yourself a sweet little, twisting wrench if you're going to be doing a lot of it. But I find that a pair of crescents always works really well. I want my grooves to go from here to here. So, of course, those soapstone marks are going to come off. So, we're going to dot punch all 4 sides. You want to get them to as close to center as you can. If you're a good eyeballer, just eyeball it. If you have trouble, go ahead and lay it out. That's not too shabby. We're going to start in a stop point for our chisel line on all 4 sides of our square bar. Now let's go to the fire. Iron is the star, not me. Now you can see my mark there. I'm going to dig that corner of my chisel right into that mark. I can feel it. Just rock that chisel. There's the other corner. You want a chisel with a rounded profile for this. So you can rock it and follow a line. You can also do a curved line. Nice groove in it. So what I'm going to do is straighten it out a little bit. Always straighten your piece out. That way you don't have to waste precious heat when you come back, straightening it out before you can start to work on it. Because it's always easier to chisel on a nice flat piece. You've got the rocking action of that chisel. It's what you got to have. Doesn't need much. Alright, let's get another heat. You are in a hurry. For beginner smiths, don't run a 3-pound hammer. You cannot look at the top of your chisel and your line at the same time. You're going to have to do both without looking, kinda. I mean, I'm not looking at the back of my chisel. I'm looking at where my line is going on the steel. This chisel's a foot long. So I can't look at both. So you gotta just start with a smaller hammer and practice. Split and kindling with a chisel is a good practice. But there's all 4 lines. Are they perfect? No. Does it matter? No. It's gonna be cool anyway. Oh no, it's not perfect. People are gonna know it's handmade. Put that start of my groove about a 1/4 inch away, and these wrenches are gonna bite it about a 1/4 inch away. Get them nice and tight. Careful, don't burn yourself. Slag's gonna fall off. Don't let that fall on you. There's a 1/2 a revolution. There's 1. Another 1/2. 2. And I think about 2 will do it. That's 2 full revolutions. Now remember what you do. So to complete this, well, I don't want to give it away. Spoiler alert! Alright. We've twisted it 2 complete revolutions. We've incised the line on the bar. Got a pretty tight twist in it. Twist it up tight. Alright, let's heat it again. Woo, this is cool. Don't forget to cool your tongs. They get hot. Alright, we've done the twist. Bring it to another heat. And just pound it back square. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to do the first thing we did, which is cut lines down the middle of this bar again. It's a wily little critter, this bar, but with that U-shaped chisel profile you can follow it, and once you get a good line, get a light line at first. Always get a light line at first and then deepen it. Is it straight? No. Does it matter? No. Just watch. This would be cool. I like to trap it with my chisel before I set my tongs down. I'm kind of warmed up. I'm being pretty confident. I'm putting the hammer to it. I'm just grooving it out. Got to get this done and uploaded so y'all can see it. Alright. Oh yeah. Alright. Once again, about a 1/4 inch. We're going to take our twisting wrenches. Okay, we twisted it that way. Now we're going to untwist it 1 turn. There's a half. And there's one turn. Look at that. Let's turn it back just a little bit. Look at that. We're gonna have to wire wheel that up. A lot of scale on it. Starting to run out of gas, so. But isn't that cool? Let's straighten it up. So I'm going to trim this to length on my hot cut here. There we go. Now I've got enough to make a little bottle opener end here and a nice little hook on this end. It's gonna be sweet. Nice little taper. Cool. Let's clean it up on the anvil. Now I'm going to break these corners. That'll feel nice. Cool. Let's heat it again. You don't want to mess up that scroll tip, so get in there with your cross peen. Don't hit it. Look at that. There we go. Let's put it on around there. Let's get that cross peen in there. There we go. Let's flatten it out. That's kind of bent now. See there? Every shape you need is on this anvil. Utilize it. Check that out. Need to go a little off center. Oh, went too far. There we go. There we go. We'll leave it alone right there. Sweet. Nice little handle on there. Let's go ahead and put the bottle opener on the other side. And pretty soon we will be popping the bottle cap off of a cool, refreshing summer beverage. Alright, we're going to use the fullering dies. Spread that metal. Now we're going to come this way And we'll shape that up on the anvil. You know, while I'm waiting for a piece to get hot, I have plenty of time to think about how much I appreciate all the people that tune into my channel to learn a little bit of what I know. Thanks. It up. It's a roundup. Not the evil poisonous kind. Or the cattle kind. It's the iron kind. That looks pretty sweet. Let's knock it. There we go. Well, one more of those. Oh, too much. There we go. That's pretty straight. Now we're gonna curl that over so it'll grab the top of a bottle cap. Sorry if I'm screaming into the microphone. Alright, let's hook this end over. Hang it off the edge of the anvil just a little bit. Kind of a downward sweeping stroke. That's plenty. Now we're going to come straight back at us. Watch the angle of my hammer as it's coming down. That'll tell you all of what you need to know. Okay, there we go. You want that wide enough to accept the bottle cap, but you want the inside plane of that edge to come up at an angle. You don't want it to slip off the bottle cap, but that'll work right there. I'll bet you $5 that'll open a bottle. Let's go get a bottle of raspberry soda pop and see. Thank you so much for coming with me. I thought this was a fun project, and it's just a twist and a twist. I mean, you do a little chiseling, but look at how that faceted. Who would have thought? Very old technique. And this can be a handle on a poker. You can do this on a 6-sided bar. That would be cool. That might be another video where we do this to a 6-sided bar. But you just have, and the tighter you twist it, the more of these little facets you're gonna have. That is just cool. Hat off to the guy that discovered this so long ago. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. And like I said, thank you for coming with me. God bless.